Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another AFG family video.
Guys, our subscriber were asking if we can make another like meat boneless for them. Last videos we show some chicken boneless, how to debone the chicken, and today we will debone a lamb shoulder. So who is going to do that? Sajjad and Muhammad will make boneless the lamb shoulder. So you guys stay with us and watch Sajjad how they are going to do it.
Yes guys, today I'm going to become the butcher. I mean, since I have learned from the professional, I 100% guarantee that I can also boneless lamb shoulder.
He can 100%, 100%, but
100%.
we are just joking.
Yeah.
We are just joking. Guys, I will be the one who gonna debone the lamb shoulder.
The
So
professional.
Amir gonna stay. Guys, now, as you can see, I'm gonna move my ring and I'm gonna wear gloves. So now you will see how to make a lamb shoulder. And guys, you know, in lamb there is two parts which very soft. The fillet of lamb, the back fillet of the lamb, that's very soft, the softest part, and the chops and shoulder. Shoulder is very soft part as well. Leg is a bit hard. Leg has more meat than shoulder, and shoulder is softer, and leg is a bit harder while you're cooking. So this is the lamb shoulder, guys. I'm gonna give my phone to Sajjad. The shoulder, when I'm making it boneless, I will try to finish the boneless in 1 minute time. Sajjad, you hold the time.
How?
So now, guys, as you can see,
If my dad does it,
this is the shoulder.
like
So that when you're ready, you have to tell me.
boneless.
And today, like one of our subscribers was telling me that we have to use red knife for red meat. Today I will use a red knife for red meat. So that's the way you have to sharpen it, guys. When we are sharpening it, don't think at home is easy the same way. When we are sharpening it, our sharpener has these circle things, and we put our thumb under it. So even it doesn't reach here, but even in case it reach the knife, it will hold it here. It's not gonna cut my finger. So don't use this way at home because it's a bit dangerous. And this, as we have experience, we can do it. You see, we know where the knife is going. So once your knife is sharp, you guys ready?
Yes.
So this is, guys, as you can see, this is the shoulder, lamb shoulder. We'll try to make it boneless in a minute. Amir, stay here, Baba. Stay here in the chair, Baba, okay? Just stay there. Offering, Amir, offering. I'll give you this one as well. Just hold it here. Guys, I'll try to make the lamb shoulder in 1 minute. To make it boneless, the complete shoulder in 1 minute. I will try my best. So, John, when you're ready, tell me.
So
Guys, maybe I talk less. I will focus on my shoulder to boneless it as quick as I can. The complete shoulder. Sajjad, when you're ready, tell me 1, 2, 3.
Okay, the minute has started.
Yeah. Guys, you see, we grab the shoulder this way. There's a flat bone inside. When you reach here, this is the joint. As you guys can see, there is a joint. You just open it from the side, you break it like this. So the joint is broken. Guys, this is the flat bone. As you guys can see, this is the muscle part. You can boneless it. You grab the shoulder like this. Guys, this is the way of how to make a lamb shoulder.
10, 9,
It's
8.
already finished
7.
before 10, guys. It's completely. I can put this bone back for you. And this shoulder bone was here. This go out, guys. Let me show you more clear. This was here. Okay, guys, as you can see it now. You can put it back if you want. That's the way of the shoulder. So now the lamb shoulder is full. As you guys can see, is like this, but inside bone is like this, guys. I hope you like my video today. The video our subscriber were asking, the last two videos were about chicken debone, how to debone the chicken, and how to cut chicken joint by joint. And you see this, the shoulders, this the joint. You have to know where the joint is. Then it will be very easy for you to make it boneless. And sometimes you can make it lenda or as arrows. You call it, what do you call it? Arrows? Bone arrows. You can shoot with this. And guys, if you can see, this one is very flat. No meat on it.
This was honestly my face expression. What?
So this is the halal stump as well, guys. This halal stump. So the shoulder was halal.
That's
And
how my dad is a professional.
that's my job. As I told you, I've been working in the butcher almost 20 years. So if you guys want the different videos, how to make, I can make a whole lamb boneless as well, whole lamb boneless. And I will do that in summertime for you for some barbecues. And I can even make a whole cow boneless, not more than maybe 45 minutes maximum. The whole cow I can make it boneless for you. And chicken I can do maybe one pallet chicken I can make boneless maybe around 3 hours, a whole pallet chicken, or then I can do that. I can speed more in chicken as well. Whatever videos you want from the butcher section, please put comments down so I do it in the next video for you, whatever you like. Next time maybe I show you lamb leg, how to joint it, how to take out bone separate, but the meat joint by joint. The lamb leg has separate joint. There's top side, inside, there's muscle, there is chick tender. So any side you see, as I will explain you now, in these legs there is few parts separate. Once I start making boneless, you will know that where the parts are. That now it doesn't show. I know where the parts are. So you guys cannot see it. I will show you in the next video. If you want anything in the butcher side, please put comments down. I will do it in the future for you. I hope you like it, guys. So now Amir, come down, Baba, come around, Amir. I will move my gloves back.
The way how my dad boneless lamb shoulder in 1 minute was unbelievable.
Actually, it was a bit more quicker than
Yeah, it was like
I think
50 seconds. Yeah.
Guys, don't forget to put comments down. So whatever videos you like from butcher section, I will do it for you definitely.
We love you.
We love you all.
Love you all.
Bye.
And we say bye.